Hello students, we see our solution from 1 to 14 in our previous video of exercise 3.4. Today we will see our next solutions from question number 15. In question number 15 we have to do the same work as we do in our previous questions. What we have to do? AI equal to A. We have to find here A inverse. How can we find? We find by the same process. 3 minus 2, 2. Here is identity whose order is 3 cross 3. Because we know that identity will depend on the order of matrix A. So here we take our identity to 3 cross 3. 3 minus 2 and 2. Now applying R1 tends to R3 and R3 tends to R1. We get this one 2, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 2. Here is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. And we can write here 3 minus 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2 minus 3, 3. Now R1 minus R2. Here we get 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2. Here is R1 minus R2, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 1 and 1 minus 0. 3 minus 2, 1, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, 2 minus 3 minus 1. 2, 2, 3, 2 minus 3 and 3. Now R2 minus R2, applying on R2, R2 minus R3. Here we get 3 minus 2 plus 2, R2 minus R3. So there is no effect on our R1. R2 minus R3 minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. 1 minus 4 minus 1, 0, 2 minus minus plus 5 and 3 minus 3, that is 0. 2 minus 3 and 3. Again we apply on, now we apply on R3, R3 minus 2 R1. Here we get 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2, R3 minus 2 R1. So R1 and R2 will be remain same. R3 minus 2 R1. This one minus minus plus 2 and this is minus 2. Here is R3 1 minus 4 minus 1 0 5 0 2 minus 2 0 minus 3 plus 8 that is 5 3 plus 2 that is 5. Now we take 5 from R2, or we can say we will divide our R2 by 5. We get R2, applying on R2 1 by 5 R2 and on R3 also applying 1 by 5 R3. We get here 2 minus 3 3, 2 2 3, 3 minus 2 2, 0 minus 1 1, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5 0, 1 by 5, 2 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. Here is 1 minus 4, 1 minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Now applying on R3, R3 minus R2. 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2. Here is 0 minus 1, 1, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0. Now this minus this, it becomes 2 by 5. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. Here we get 1 minus 4 minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now R1 minus R3 plus R3. So what we get? 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2. R1 plus R3, 0 plus 2 by 5. Minus 1 plus 1 by 5, that is 4 by 5. 1 plus minus 2 by 5, that is 3 by 5. Minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. Here is 1 minus 4, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now we apply on R1 plus 4 R2. Here we get 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2. R1 plus 4 R2. R1 plus 4 R2 means minus 2 by 5. R1 plus 4 R2 means 8 by 5. Here is 3 by 5. We get here minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. Here we get minus 1 plus 1 by 5. So here is small mistake we are doing. Minus 1 plus 1 by 5, that is minus 4 by 5. Okay. Minus 4 by 5. Here is 4 by 5, so it becomes 0. Now 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So we get our A inverse, that is minus 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5. This is our A inverse. We get our A inverse by which matrix? Minus 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. In the same process, we will do our next question, question number 16. In question number 16, we have given the matrix whose order is 3 cross 3. So let's see what will be its inverse. Let A equal to 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 5, 2, 5, 0. AI equal to A. Here we write 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 5, 2, 5, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Here is 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 5, 2, 5, 0. We know that we have to make our first A11 entry as 1, A21 and A31 as 0 with the help of A11 entry. So we do it R2 plus 3R1 and R3 as R3 minus 2R1. We apply two operations here. Minus 3, 0, minus 5, 2, 5, 0. 1, 0, 0. R2 plus 3R1. 3, 1, 0. R3 minus 2R1. Minus 2, 0, 1. Here is 1, 3 minus 2. We add by multiplying 3. It becomes 0. 9 minus 6 and minus 5, that is minus 11. Now R3 minus 2R1, 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 6 minus 1, 0, minus minus plus, then here is 4. Now we apply here R2 1 by 9 R2. We get 1, 3 minus 2 minus 3, 0 minus 5, 2, 5, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 0, minus 2, 0, 1. Here we get 1, 3 minus 2, 0, 1, 11 by 9, 0, minus 1, 4. Now on R3 plus R2. 1, 3 minus 2 minus 3, 0, minus 5, 2, 5, 0. Here is 1, 0, 0, 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 0, minus 2 plus 1 by 3, that is minus 6 plus 1, minus 5 by 3. 0 plus 1 by 9, and this is 1 plus 0, that is 1. Here is 1, 3 minus 2, 0, 1 minus 11 by 9, 0, 0, and 4 minus 11 by 9, that is 36 minus 11. We can say 25 by 9. Now R3 multiplying by 9 by 25. R3 we get 1 minus 3, 2, 3, 0, 5, minus 2 minus 5, 0. On R3, so there is no effect on our R1 and R2. We write it as we go. Here is 9 by 25. So we write minus 5 by 3 into 9 by 25. It becomes 3 minus 3 by 5. Here is 9 by 25 means 1 by 25. Here is 9 by 25. And here we got 1, 3 minus 2, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 11 by 9, 0, 0, 1. Now we have to make our entries A12, 13 and 23 element as 0 with the help of our other rows. So we get, here we apply on R2 plus 11 by 9 R3. We get here 1, 3 minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 5, 2, 5, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now R2 plus 11 by 9 R3. R2 is 1 by 3 minus 3 by 5 into 11 by 9. It means we get here 1 by 3 minus 11 by 15. 15. Here we get minus 6 by 15, that is we can say minus 2 by 5. Now 1 by 9, second entry, plus 11 by 9 into 1 by 25. We get here 1 by 9 if we take common, 25 plus 11 by 25. So we get 1 by 9, 36, 25. 4 by 25. Next, 9 by 25 into 11 by 9. So 11 by 25. There is no effect on R3 because we are applying on R2. Minus 3 by 5. 1 by 25. 9 by 25. On right hand side we get 1, 3 minus 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now R1. R1 minus 3 R2. 1, 3 minus 2 minus 3, 0 minus 5, 2, 5, 0. R1 minus 3 R2. Here is 1 minus minus plus 6 by 5 means 11 by 5. Here is 0 minus, so minus 12 by 25. Here is minus 33 by 25. So minus 2 by 5, 4 by 25, 11 by 25, minus 3 by 5, 1 by 25, 9 by 25. Here we get 1, 0. 3 minus 3, that is 0. Minus 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now, on applying R1, R1 plus 2 R3. 1, 3 minus 2 minus 3, 0 minus 5, 2, 5, 0. R1 plus 2 R3. 11 by 5 minus 6 by 5. We get here 5 by 5, that is 1. Next is minus 12 by 25 and plus 2 by 25. So we get minus 10 by 25. So here we get minus 2 by 5. We are applying on R1 plus 2 R3. Minus 33 by 25 plus 18 by 25. Here we get 15 by minus 15 by 25. So we get 3 by 5 negative. Minus 3 by 5. Minus 2 by 5, 4 by 25, 11 by 25, minus 3 by 5, 1 by 25 and 9 by 25. This is become 1, 0, minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Here we make our identity. So our A inverse is minus 1, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 2 by 5, 4 by 25, 11 by 25, minus 3 by 5, 1 by 25 and 9 by 25. This is our A inverse. Now we will solve our question number 17. Here our matrix is 2, 0, minus 1, 5, 1 0 0 1 3. Now 2 5 0 0 1 1 minus 1 0 3 into identity 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 equal to 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3. Interchanging R1 to R2, we get 2 5 0 0 1 1 minus 1 0 3. Here we get 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Here you get 5 1 0 2 0 minus 1 0 1 3. Now R1 minus 2R2, 2 5 0 0 1 1 minus 1 0 3. R1 minus 2R2 minus 2 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Here we get 5 minus 4 1 1 and 1 minus minus plus 2. 2 0 minus 1 0 1 3. Now we will interchange our R2 by R3. 2 5 0 0 1 1 minus 1 0 3 minus 2 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. Here we get 1 1 2 0 1 3 2 0 minus 1. Now on R3 minus 2R1, we get 2 5 0 0 1 1 minus 1 0 3. Here we get minus 2 1 0 0 0 1. R3 minus 2R1, 1 minus 4 minus minus plus 1 plus 4 5. 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. 0 minus 0 0. Here we get 1 1 2 0 1 3. 2 minus 2 0. 0 minus 2 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. Now by using R2 we get our R3 plus 2R2 plus 2R2 because we want to make our A32 element as 0. So 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3. We are applying on R3, so our R1 and R2 we can write it as it is R3 plus 2 R2, 5 minus 2 and plus 2. Here we can write 1 1 2 0 1 3 0 plus 2 minus 2 0 minus 5 plus 6, that is 1. Now on R1 applying R1 minus R2. 2 5 0 0 1 1 minus 1 0 3. Here is R1 minus R2 minus 2 0 minus 2 1 minus 0 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 0 0 1 5 minus 2 2. We can write here 1 0 2 minus 3 minus 1 0 1 3 0 0 1. Again on R1 plus R3. 2 5 0 0 1 1 minus 1 0 3 minus 2 plus 5 3 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 plus 2, that is 1 0 0 1 5 minus 2 2. Here is R1 plus R3 1 0 0 0 1 3 0 0 1. Now we know that for making this matrix identity we have to make our element A2 3 as 0. So what we do? We multiply our R3 by 3 and minus from R2. So R2 minus 3R3. Here you can see 3 minus 1 1, R2 minus 3R1. 3 minus 15 हो गया आपका ये 0 minus minus plus 6 1 minus 6 means minus 5. 5 minus 2 2. Here we can write 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So we get our A inverse, that is 3 minus 15 5 minus 1 6 minus 2 1 minus 5 and 2. This is our A inverse of this given matrix. Now we have to do R2 minus R2 minus 3 R1. This is okay, clear. Now in question number 18, this is our 17. Now question number 18 is, this is objective type. They are asking that following of them are true. Matrix A and B will be inverse of each other only if AB equal to BA, AB equal to BA equal to 0, AB equal to 0 and BA equal to 1, and AB equal to BA equal to 1. This is our direct result. We know that if AB equal to identity, then after multiplying by A inverse, we get here A inverse into identity. So A inverse A is become identity into B, and this is become A inverse. B equal to A inverse means B is inverse of A, and A into A inverse, you know that A into A inverse or A inverse into A is become identity. So our option D is correct. This is our exercise 3.4. Thank you.